back and sit down. Beautiful.
One more piece. Who's a good boy?
Nice.
All right, let's go. Smell. Hey. Good sit. He's a good boy.
That was quick.
I feel like he noticed the car.
He did, yeah, like
He noticed it.
you'll see in your video that his weight shift is different here initially, but
nervous.
he is, yeah, the way he's holding his spine.
He's nervous.
Yeah,
Oh,
so do one more and then leave. Good boy. Making this decision to tell you that he's ready, you're limiting his choices, but he will eventually sit. But we want to make sure that like this is kind of a two-way game here, if you know what I mean. It's okay.
Good boy. Who's a good boy?
You're a good man,
It's like he knows now something's up.
right? But we've set it up easier now, though.
Yeah.
You just tell us when you're ready, Murray.
Whenever you want.
Yeah, it's fine. Good boy.
Oh, he's so hot already.
Yeah. Yes. Wow.
Good boy.
Great. Oh my gosh, that was the best session ever.
Let's go to the chicken mat.
Woo!
The chicken mat. Oh, the chicken's in your ear.